Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an invalid zip code error on Cash App. This common issue can prevent you from sending or receiving money, but it's easy to resolve. Let's get started. First, open your Cash App mobile application on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the home screen. Look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a profile icon. Tap on this profile icon to access your account settings. This will take you to your profile section where you can manage your account details. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of your profile page. At the bottom, you'll find the support option. Make sure to tap on it. This will open Cash App's Support and Help Center. On the support page, look for and select Account and Settings. From the options that appear, choose Edit Personal Info. Cash App will show you information about what details you can update. Continue scrolling to the bottom of this page. Tap Chat under the Contact Us section to message support directly. Clearly explain that you're receiving an invalid zip code error. Provide your correct zip code and politely request them to update it in their system. Send the message and be patient. The support team will need to verify your information. They typically respond within 24 to 48 hours with a solution. Once they update your zip code, the error should be completely resolved. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free, with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below. Thank you for watching.